We have talked about non-verbals, body language, and other not so mystical stuffs. Yet we never touched on one of the crucial aspects of your life, and that is the way you speak, which plays a significant role in you becoming a high achiever. Hey, it's Rajiv from Be High Achiever, and let's talk about your presentation, your vocal tonality. The way you speak matters a lot. It plays a significant role in your presentation and how everyone around you perceives you. While they are creating a perception of you through your non-verbals, they're also focusing on your voice to decide if you're a follower or a leader, or if they should follow you, or if you should be leading them. Should you be paid more? Should you be promoted? Can they trust you? Should they listen to you? Or just ignore you? Believe it or not, it's a powerful signal that you're communicating, and people in business world feel that. Most of the great leaders in history had charismatic voice. For example, Steve Jobs, Barack Obama, Nelson Mandela. And when you have a charismatic voice, they associate you with them, that you are a leader and they should follow you. So let's talk about the qualities of a high achiever voice. Number one, it's authoritative. It expects a positive response. It's clear. It cuts through the noise. It's interesting. That means you use voice modulation. Sometimes you speak louder. Sometimes you speak quieter. Sometimes you speak very fast. And sometimes you slow. It's unaffected by the environment. That means you speak your way. It doesn't matter whoever is standing in front of you. Your voice will not change because of them or because of your environment. And it often breaks rapport. Now there are three types of vocal tonality. Number one, seeking rapport. Number two, neutral rapport. And number three, breaking rapport. Now, if I have to give you an example of seeking rapport, is when you're speaking, your voice, end of the sentence, your voice will go up. That means, for example, where are you from? Right? So I will try to demonstrate in seeking rapport tonality. So if I'm looking to build rapport with you, if I'm trying to seek rapport with you, I will speak in this way. Where are you from? My voice will go up. Where are you from? Where are you from? How are you? If I'm talking in neutral rapport, then my voice will stay neutral. Where are you from? Where are you from? And if I have to give you a breaking rapport example, think of it like a boss speaking to his employee or a king speaking to his servant. Where are you from? Where are you from? In a bossy manner. Not rude, but in an authoritative manner. Where are you from? And generally speaking, a quick tip, a high achiever will always stick in between neutral and breaking rapport. He will never seek rapport with others. But now you will think, my natural voice is in seeking rapport tonality. Or I'm not a loud person. Well, let me tell you one thing. That is not your voice. It simply means that you have trained yourself to speak in that manner. You are not born with that voice. And that means you can change the way you speak. You can change your seeking rapport tonality to a neutral rapport or breaking rapport tonality. The best way to achieve a high achiever voice is to be conscious of it. The moment you think that you are speaking in a seeking rapport tonality, you change it in that instant and replace it with the 5 qualities that we have just discussed. Whenever you feel not so confident or less interesting or less confident, you can start purposely speaking in breaking rapport tonality and it will make you feel confident. You can use it anywhere, when you're speaking with your boss, during an interview, your clients, your colleagues, and it will help you to stand out. While your non-verbals are great, your vocal tonality should also be congruent to your